With this trick, she managed to lose more than 10 kilos in 2 weeks. Amazing! Losing weight for many can be a martyrdom, since the first thing they think about is to go hungry to be able to achieve it. This is completely false. There are a lot of methods with which you can achieve it, with diets being the most effective, but these are not those that precisely leave people satisfied. If you want to lose weight fast, the following plan can help you, since it takes into account the 3 most important elements, and all you have to do is follow it. Dare yourself. 1. Reduce sugary foods and carbohydrates. A determining factor for losing weight quickly is to reduce sugars and carbohydrates. These foods stimulate the secretion of insulin in the body. Insulin is the main hormone for storing fat in the body. If you manage to control the secretion of insulin, the body will begin to burn the accumulated fat instead of burning the energy from carbohydrates. In addition, the retention of fluids in the body is reduced, eliminating the swelling. Some people, doing this, have managed to eliminate up to 10 kilos in a week. 2. Eat protein, fat and vegetables. Meals should include a source of protein, a source of fat and carbohydrates in the form of vegetables. The optimal range for carbohydrates should be between 20 and 50 grams a day. 3. Lift weights 3 times a week. Although exercise is not essential in this plan, it is recommended. You can go to the gym about 3 or 4 times a week. Lift weights and also do some aerobic exercise. If you have never attended a gym, you can consult a qualified trainer. Lifting weights helps burn calories and prevent slowing down of metabolism, a side effect of weight loss. I ask